What's up, guys? So, happy Wednesday. um, so my dad was over here with me again over the weekend, and we made some changes. Did some farting around with some of the trucks, and he did some work on a couple of things. But one of the changes is right there. Bigfoot has a new garage. So we'll check that out. And then Gravedigger has a slightly new look to it. I think it's kind of cool. Yeah. And miraculously, so I'm going to do a comparison too in this video. But this truck set up like this is actually phenomenal. It is super wide for my course, but it can pretty much go anywhere it wants. It's pretty crazy. So yeah. Other than that, it was also my birthday on Monday. So I got a couple of things for my birthday too. So we'll take a look at that. But first off, let's get to my birthday presents first. Let's take a look. All right, so right there is one thing. Got a new soldering iron. Freaking sweet. And then this is the other thing. A little bench sander, belt sander. Freaking cool. So yeah, it's pretty freaking sweet down here in Jason's RCs. And then from there, this is Bigfoot's new garage. With his lead mechanic over there, Harry. Yeah, pretty stinking cool. And then I did some changes to the landscaping a little bit. Got some outcropping. It's like a landscaping type boulder. It's a little shard off of that. And then I put some more of it up over here, along back there. I got a new cabin over here. I don't know if it was in my last video. And then I got these guys. Pretty freaking sweet. Made them too. And then what else we got going on? There's Carolina Crusher. Moved a tree over here. Riprap. Got some skeleton trees around the haunted house over there. And that's pretty much it for the course, guys. All right, now for this quote unquote comparison that we got going on. So with this comparison, there's two things going on with it. Number one is a new build project. It's not really a build. Well, yeah, it's a build project. But this is what we're going to start out with. Ba-ba! Brand new, still in box. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing. There's plenty of unboxings out there with this stuff. I'm not going to get into the details. I'm just going to take the truck out and we shall play with it. So, yeah, it's your standard stuff in the other box. But there's the new Deadbolt that's going to be turned into something else. Which is kind of a pain because now I have 3 Deadbolt bodies, a C10 body, and a Panda Hobby Dodge Power Wagon body that is not being used. Yeah. Anyway, let's get to this comparison. Cut this open. Which that should be it. Bam. Brand new, guys. Brand freaking new. Not a scratch on it until tonight. All right. Let's take these clips off of here. I'll tilt you guys down. Okay. Let's check this thing out. Oh, nope, that's still the same. Let's get this battery out of here and get a fresh one. So basically what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to show you what a stock vehicle does on my course, and then I'm going to compare it to one of the most modified vehicles that I have, which is pretty much my Bigfoot truck. So stick a battery in here, plug it in. And I had somebody ask me how to bind their controller to their ESC. This is how you do it. I actually have been using my Panda Hobbies remote. Just because, I don't know. I just use it. So, now, to bind it, there's a little bind button right there. So you're going to hold that down. And then simultaneously, while you're holding it down, turn the controller on. It'll start blinking. Then you come over here and you turn the truck on. And just like that, it's binded. This is a brand new truck. I still have the other remote in the box, which is another thing I have an abundance of. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 axial remotes that I'm not using. Kind of ridiculous, but anyway, so we'll throw this on the course and we'll see how it does. Okay guys, here we go. 100% fresh out of the box stock scx24 Deadbolt. Let's see how it does. Around the treehouse. Looking good so far, guys. It's got some fairly decent slow crawlability. That was checkpoint number 2. Or gate number 2, however you want to call it. And now we're working our way to gate 3. Wow, that's surprising, guys. It's actually doing really well. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Penalty, penalty. Not counting penalties though, guys. Just doing a capability comparison. I centered there, like every one of my other trucks. Working our way over to gate 4. It's looking good so far, guys. Gate 4. Well, I might have to change up my course and make it a little bit more difficult. This is kind of, in a way, disappointing. I don't know. It does say a lot for these things. They are extremely capable when they're stock. Down through gate 6. And over to gate 7. Oh. That was a close one. I just rolled over like that. In the most difficult place to reach on my course. There we go. Roll over number 2. Is that 2 or 3? Oh, and it figures it's always back here in the corner. We'll start him back over right there. Okay, let's try this again. Haunted house. Oh, that's gotta be like, we'll count that as 3. 3 rollovers, guys. 3 rollovers. Now we go back down through the tunnel. That was gate 8 as we work our way over to gate 9. Gate 9 is the teeter-totter. Oh man. No, nothing, absolutely nothing done to this thing, guys. Absolutely. It's not even gonna. Oh, there it goes. Just goes to show you how light these things are stock. So those blocks right there, guys, I put there to represent a future building that I'm going to be putting back there. So. Working our way to gate 10. Back behind Bullwinkle. And through to the finish. Uh-oh. Oh no. Can I save it? Nope. These things are super light. This feels so weird picking it up. So all my other trucks are pretty heavy. Alright guys, there's Deadbolt, stock Deadbolt. So now let me fire up Bigfoot and we'll see how he does. Okay, here comes Bigfoot. Stinking cool. We'll start down there and go right into gate 2. Well, that's not good starting out. There we go. This is just bad driving on my part, guys. But you can definitely tell the difference in the slow crawlability. So this thing has everything you can think of thrown in it. It's got the Fury Tech Lizard motor combo in it. It's got high clearance links from Trio. It's got every upgrade possible on this truck, guys. Look at that slow crawl. Wow. I'm actually surprised I'm getting hung up right there. It's not saying a whole lot for my truck. There it goes. I think that has to do with the shorter tires, the stock tires on the Deadbolt. I'm not making excuses, but it's just a mere fact. The stock tires on the Deadbolt are a bit taller than these boggers from RC4 Drive. So that takes into effect with the clearance over those axle diffs. Rollover number 1. Struggle bus. Struggle bus. Man. Come on. Oh, this is not looking good, guys. There we go. Boom. Finally. Now we go to gate 4. Gate 4, down through the frame twister. Gate 5. This is going to actually be quite a long video. Gate 5. Now we work our way to gate 6. Oops. Over to gate 7. So we're at 1 rollover so far. I think the other Deadbolt had 3 altogether. Oh. There we go. So you can definitely tell the tire height plays a factor on my course. Ta-da. gate 9 over here. Now this will tell you the weight difference. The other deadbolt went right to the end of the teeter-totter before it even remotely started falling. Look at that. Got like over a foot, probably like 2 feet. So that just tells you how much heavier this truck is. Over to gate 10. Boom, and to the finish. So there you go, completely stock versus heavily modified Bigfoot. Struggled a little bit with Bigfoot. Kind of disappointed. But, so there you go. So yeah, Friday, I think I'm going to do the official first run and night crawling with the K10. So yeah, I have the decals. They're just going to be a little bit time consuming putting them on. So if I do a video on them, I think it's going to be like videoing one decal being put on, and then the debut of that project. So yeah, because yeah, I'm not going to get into what kind of decal they are. They're just a little bit difficult to put on. But yeah, so again, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you on Friday. Take it easy, guys.